Assalamualaikum guys, how are you all? So in this video we're going to just start a new course review of SQL. In this course we're going to discuss about all what SQL is and from start to end, because we're going to test all language structure in Python as well when we're going to create our own data models, artificial intelligence model. So here you can see at the left side there are the table and its information is given what the data type are holding the column of the tables, and here are the table available you can see here, and this side you can see the empty table that will be the output of our query. So SQL stands for structured query language, and it is using relational database management system. In every system where we are dealing with data, then we have to control its flow and where the data is to be manipulated and to be stored. So in this world we'll just take an overlook of what SQL really is. So here we have a select statement that could select the column of the table. Here we have a table and there are 5 columns of this table. Table name is customer. First we are going to just say about which column we are going to select. Customer. So sorry, CUSTOMER ID, and then we're just going to put a from statement here to say from which table it's gonna input. Set those values from CUSTOMERS from this, and lastly when your statement is fulfilled, query is completed, then you have to put a semicolon at last, and here you can write the other queries as well, and all query when those are to be ended, there are the semicolon to be added at the last they are indicating the first query is ended. So here I have set the from which we are importing the column. Here is the table name. The table name is customers, and select is the statement that is used to select the column of the table. So let's run the query. Sorry, there was a mistake in the spelling. So let's run this query, and what you're gonna see is customer ID, and here are the 5 rows what were in the table. So let's use another trick as table. Okay, so I'm just giving an ls name to the customer ID as table. So here you're going to see the table instead of customer ID. Okay, let's see here the table name is here. So that was our first query, and let's turn to another to make some interest in your mind. So here I'm gonna select the age, and from which table they are fetched is customer, and I am going to use another statement that is where is a statement that is used to put an condition to your query, where first name is equal to John. Okay, so here our query is completed. So what we have said here, where first name in the customer ID must be John. What that means, in customer table the first name must be John, and their ages would be fetched and displayed in the output results. So let's run the query and see they are 31 and 25. 31 and 25 written as shown as table ages, I can say, or customer ages. So I'm just gonna sort it out. How would those order by, I'm ordering it by the user ID. Customer ID as in descending order. This is a statement that is used to order our table rows, what would be the order of their rows and element would be. So here I have put the user ID as the ordering element. This would be the element to be ordered by. So what order I have said is descending. The DESC is a statement that is used to order the column descendingly. Okay, so let's see the results. Okay, so as you know, in descending order we see the first the bigger and the second is smaller and smaller and smaller. So what the bigger one was 4, then fourth person's age is printed at the first, and then 1 is printed, 31 is printed because it is the smallest. So and the name of column was this. So hope you have enjoyed and learned what I've tried to say. But in next video we're gonna just put all this concept statement by statement and in a sequence, so that you will get those all in your mind and will be expert in SQL structured query language for your Python data modeling and machine learning course. See you in the next video. Okay, if you are interested to learn all the code, then you can save the playlist from here iCard to your library. See you in the next video. Take care.